morning, friends. So I'm here in St. Louis. Just decided to take a quick trip here, and this morning, or actually the weekend, I plan on doing multiple things. So one of the things I want to try is different restaurants that people have recommended. I've either seen the recommendation online or I've talked to some locals around here on what to go try. So you know that one of my favorite things to do when I visit a new city is try new places to eat, the local favorites, that kind of thing. So that's what I'm going to do today and tomorrow for the most part of the day. So this morning I'm headed to breakfast at a place called Roosters that was not really on any lists, but the hotel front desk person told me about it and said that it's a local favorite. So we're going to try that, and I'll let you know how that goes. Starting off this morning, Terry, the front desk concierge at the hotel that we're staying at, recommended Rooster, and this is a crepe sandwich cafe. They're known for their Bloody Marys and their mimosas, and apparently always have a wait time, which is why I am sitting here. So it was only about a 20-minute wait is what they told me, so we'll see how that goes. So while I'm waiting, I am gonna continue to research some different places around here on things to do. But like and comment if you've ever been here. What's your favorite restaurant? What's your favorite place to get snacks? Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I'm going to do several other videos while I'm in St. Louis. But let me know in the comments below what your favorite things to do in St. Louis is. And then I'm going to try Roosters for breakfast today. And stay tuned, because I will let you know what that's like. This is going to be rough. Today's going to be rough. Hydration is going to be key, because I just ordered a slinger. It's called the Rooster Slinger, which is the first time I've ever even heard of a slinger, but apparently this is a popular thing. I don't know if it's just St. Louis or if it's all over the place. Literally, I've never heard of it. I had to have a half order of biscuits and gravy because the people next to me have it, and it looks amazing. And then, of course, because they're known for their Bloody Marys and mimosas, had to have one of each of those. So, starting off this day strong, and it's going to be a rough one. Alright, so I have my Bloody Mary here. I have my mimosa. We're going to try those. So that's got some kick at the end, as far as some pepper and kick, but it's very good. It's supposed to be 17 different ingredients. That's their secret blend. So this is the Tipsy Nani, and it is supposed to have campaign vodka, strawberry, and orange juice, no, grapefruit juice in it. Very good. Probably should have started with that one. And then we have our biscuits and gravy and our slider. So those biscuits are homemade, and they are so good. The gravy has some seasoning in it that's supposed to be sauce and gravy. Maybe sage is what I'm tasting, which I don't typically get in a gravy, but it really works. It's very good. And then here we have the Rooster Slinger. You've got sausage, egg, and country potatoes on top of toast with your gravy on top of it. I think I said slider. It's a slinger. We used to have this as kids. I didn't know it had a name. But when we were 4, this is just what we had because we didn't make biscuits. That just works. It's so good. lot of food. Roosters was not on any list that I watched on YouTube. Of course, you know, I'm sure there's many that I didn't watch, but it was not listed anywhere. I highly recommend it. It was amazing. Everything about the atmosphere, the vibe, everything was amazing. So I got here around 9 a.m. I waited probably, they said 20 minutes. It was more like 10. Food came quick, drinks came quick. Service was excellent. Now, if you'll look, those are all the people waiting now. So it is now 9:58. So I got there at 9. I've ate, I've had my drinks, and I'm paid and done already, and it's 9:58. So that is now behind me, the line for roosters waiting. So if you want to try it, we were told there's always a wait, and there was a little bit, like I said, there was a little bit of a wait earlier, but it was not that bad of a wait. It was totally worth it. Definitely recommend it. I would come early because it was so calm there, but they are turning over those tables fairly quickly and very pleasant. Amazing experience. Highly recommend it. Good morning. All right, so this morning, this Saturday in St. Louis, and I've got a big day planned. I think it's gonna be a big day. This is a fun little town. I'm going to start my morning with breakfast at a place that was recommended for me. I need to get some barbecue in because St. Louis is known for the barbecue. So I got to figure out and start talking to some people this morning and see what their favorite barbecue place is. I keep hearing one in particular, so probably going to do that one. But going to ask around a little bit more. And then I have several other things on the list that I need to get knocked out today. And don't know what all I'm gonna do as far as food goes, but I'm really excited about it. So let's see where this day takes us. Let's get started with breakfast. All right, so here at the Mud House Cafe, it is in a super cute little district area that, I don't know, there's all these little old buildings with shops. It's a coffee house, small place. Ordered online and then went up to the register and told them I wanted a table. I didn't know that you did it that way. I don't know. Anyway, you can either wait in line, order at the register, and then sit, or you can order online for pickup. The sign said to order online, so that's what I did, even though that's just for pickup. So you just walk in, you order your food, and then you go and pick out a table. There's a huge patio in the back that's beautiful. I'll show that to you in just a minute. It's a little too warm outside for me to be on the patio, so I'm gonna stay inside. Got a table inside. People are very nice as far as there's a long line, but they're not coming in and sitting at tables and holding tables. They're waiting till they get through the line, so that's awesome. The food that keeps going by me looks amazing, so cannot wait to try it. Let's dig in. Seems to make it a little bit different. A Mud House Slinger, which was bacon and egg over your hash brown and black beans, which was an excellent twist. Very tasty. And I had to try the grilled cheese with their tomato soup, which was probably the best tomato soup in grilled cheese I've ever had. So last day in St. Louis. Last couple days have been so much fun. The food has been amazing. Everything I've had has been amazing. So today I got to stay in town just a little bit longer because there's several things I still need to mark off the list. So Emo's was one of them. Decided to skip breakfast because the last 2 days I've had some amazing breakfast. So decided to skip the breakfast, go straight to the pizza, and then I still need to try the barbecue in St. Louis as well. So couple dessert places that I need to try. So in between pizza and barbecue, hopefully I can knock out some of those dessert places as well. So let's get this day started and enjoy this pizza. Okay, so Emo's is St. Louis style pizza. It's the original St. Louis style pizza that was created or established in 1964. What made it special is that they use Provel cheese versus whatever, mozzarella cheese, whatever they use on other pizzas. So that is why it is St. Louis style, is because of the Provel cheese. So I tried the cheese pizza and then a deluxe pizza, and I just want to try the cheese pizza just so I could just taste the cheese. And so the way I feel about it is that it's a very creamy cheese, almost like a Velveeta cheese. It was different. I don't not like it, but it's not that what wouldn't be my choice of cheese on a pizza. But it works, and I would definitely come and eat it again. The thing that really got me here though was the toasted ravioli. The toasted ravioli was very crisp. I mean, I'm not a big ravioli person, so didn't know what to expect. I loved it. And then the little meat sauce that you dip it in, it was an excellent appetizer. We'll definitely be back for the toasted ravioli. Okay, stop 8,452. While in St. Louis, you have to have barbecue. So everybody I've talked to, all the locals have said you got to try Pappy's, and that is what we are going to do, is try Pappy's. Apparently they are very well known for their ribs, so looking forward to that. Let's eat. That's what she said. Okay, so I had a sample platter of all the things. So beef brisket, burnt ends, the ribs because they're supposed to be the best in America, and then the pulled pork platter. Sides, fried corn is apparently a must here, and then the potato salad, and just a baked potato. So when the food first came out, I mean, it looks amazing. It smells amazing when you walk through the door. The fried corn on the cob, I was expecting, like, we're in the South. I'm expecting a deep fried type corn on the cob. It's not that at all. It doesn't have any kind of coating or anything on it. However, I was not disappointed in it. It was probably my favorite thing that I had to eat. Very flavorful. I mean, I just can't say enough about it. It was so tasty. The food, I like barbecue. It's supposed to be a big deal in St. Louis. I don't know the difference between good barbecue and just any barbecue. I mean, it was just any barbecue to me. The ribs did fall right off the bone. Had a great burnt crust on them, very flavorful in that. The brisket was probably my favorite meat. Had a lot of flavor to it. And that's all I can say about it, but that was really good. The pulled pork was pulled pork, tasted like regular pulled pork, but again, they make all of it here every day fresh, and everybody was very friendly. The atmosphere was great. The food was perfect. It was exactly what I was looking for a barbecue. I don't have anything to compare it to around here, so I don't know whether it's better or worse, but I'll tell you, the line has been out of the door waiting to get in the whole time we've been here. Took about 45 minutes to get to it, or to get in and order and all of that, but the food came very quickly after you sat down. But other than that, I think it was perfect. It checked the box on what I wanted in St. Louis. So I recommend it if you don't know where to go to get barbecue. I wanted something that wasn't a fast food or a chain restaurant, and this is not that at all. So very good. Checked the box. I highly enjoyed it. Okay, so last stop, and then I'm heading home because I can't take anything else. The Ted Drew's Frozen Custard Shop. So this is an original Route 66 roadside attraction. Has been here forever. The line out front, as you'll see, was very long, or it was very crowded. It wasn't long just because they had about 9 windows open. So we have took about 5 minutes to order your food, and then maybe less than 5 minutes to get that food out to your ice cream desserts out to you. Amazing. The strawberry shortcake, excellent. Also got a called the Crispy some sort of brownie and like caramel concrete, because that's what they're known for here. And it was just okay. Compared to the strawberry shortcake, it was amazing. I would recommend, if you want to try concrete, great. If not, do the concrete flavors like the crispy in a sundae. I bet that would be excellent. Maybe next time I come to St. Louis, I'll get to try that out. Very fun though. Great ice cream, or custard. It's not ice cream. And highly recommended. That was amazing.